Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. A natural grain black ash wood trim. Heated seats, memory seats. Power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 39,298 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.